The other students in my school, I feel they feel so jealous that I get to do this. And so was like before I came over here, I don't imagine what my life could be, but it's way better now that I've done this.
I would definitely recommend other people to join 10xTechClub. This is a good place where you can encourage learning and creativity, and thus I would like everyone to take part and enjoy in this stage 4 finale and 10x join 10x. Thank you.
Really enjoyed 10xTechClub. I had a lot of fun. The social aspect was also very nice because we had multiple people in a classroom. I really liked the fact that it was offline and not online, because normally online classes are a bit more boring because there's not much practical basis. So yeah, this was my experience at 10xTechClub.
This really changed my whole looks on my whole idea of technology and all everything in general. So it was a really fun experience. Them taking us to so many, giving us so many 2 whole tech visits with a really big company, which is Mahindra, the Tech Mahindra, and yeah. So I'm really thankful for being able to join this, and I'm really thankful for all the people who taught me all of this. So yeah, thank you.
I also want to encourage new people to join 10x because it's an excellent way to expose yourself to different fields in technology, and it's a good place. Even if you're not that interested in technology, you should give it a try.
Hi everyone, I'm Sonu and I enjoyed this course a lot with my friends and teachers.
Overall, this program is not just about learning, but it's creating memories and getting idea of what tech is. This has helped me a lot in my future. Right now, this school is helping me a lot since I learned so much from 10xTechClub. It's very helpful to me. It's helped me build new skills like communication and confidence. It also helped me learn about different design and how the market works. This is a very fun experience. I love 10xTechClub. It's very fun.